It's important to know that you matter at work, to be heard, to feel safe, to be valued, to be recognized for being more than just a hired hand, but as a human being with dreams and aspirations, a family, and the desire to grow. We believe that great people are the secret to great success. Every day, our team members embrace an entrepreneurial spirit and a culture of personal growth and development. Safety is our #1 commitment. It serves as the foundation that we build from. There's nothing more important than our employees returning home to their families at the end of the day.
Safety is paramount within ATS. In my position, we work with lethal voltages all day long, and we've never had somebody electrocuted or harmed in the time that I've been here. Always have it in the back of your mind that you have to be safe.
Our employees put their skills and talents into making our customers' businesses run better. And in doing so, they inspire the next generation of ATS employees. An environment that supports people, encourages personal growth and safety, and values every individual is one in which we all thrive. These objectives are built into the culture of Advanced Technology Services, where people come first and business runs better.